If you're still copying and pasting data into SAP, you're not alone. Manual data entry wastes hours every week and invites costly errors that disrupt operations. Meet Process Runner, the Excel-powered automation solution that eliminates manual SAP work. No coding, no complex training. Just open Excel and start automating. Cut your data processing time by up to 90%. Vendor updates, material masters, journal entries, tasks that took hours now complete in minutes. That's real time back in your day. Choose from over 1,900 pre-built templates covering every SAP module, or create custom templates for unique workflows. Either way, you're productive from day one. Built-in validation checks your data before it reaches SAP. Catch errors instantly, maintain data integrity, and keep your auditors happy. From 10 records to 10,000, from routine updates to complex migrations, Process Runner scales with your business needs no matter how you grow. Stop wrestling with SAP data. Save time with Process Runner, where Excel meets automation. Learn more at insightsoftware.com.